Mutito-ini wa Bararget Marindas uria no gicunji kia mutito wa Mau mwena wa Kuresoi ya Rugongo niguo mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya maria maturigiceirie na mitito Engineer Festus Ng'eno atongoretie mihang'o iyo ya kuhanda miti.
Just to indicate that we are not only doing tree growing, we are doing also livelihood improvement program. We will work with the communities, and I want to, on the onset, sincerely thank the communities of this area.
Ng'eno agwetete mutito uyu ta kihumo kia njui nyingi iria citagirira mai macio iria-ini inene ria Naikuru na ria Victoria.
They feed onto the 5 lakes that are very important, including Lake Turkana, Lake Nakuru, Lake Victoria, among others. So I just wanted to just indicate and say this is a very, very important program, and we are going to deliver it in a sustainably managed way, and I want to thank the community for the support as far.
Pia niweza kuomba PS wetu about the promise of good harmony with the forest guards. There should be a diplomatic way on how to run all the operations. Let there be no animosity between the forest guards and wananchi.
Mubunge wa Kuresoi ya Rugongo Alfred Mutai akiuga hari bata wa unyitaniri wa thirikari na muingi hari mihang'o ino ya uhandi wa miti.
Tumeweza kuongea na wakazi na tuko tayari on behalf of the community. We are ready and we will really stand with the government towards restoring this section na mahali ambapo imekuwa degraded for quite some time, lakini we are bringing back to life maisha ya hii msitu, sababu tunajua tukiweza kuwa na miti kwa hakika hali ya hewa inakuwa safi. We likely be also reducing the climate change.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma mutito-ini wa Bararget gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kuresoi ya Rugongo kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, niĩ njĩtagwo Joel Kimani wa Njuguna.